What is the evidence for evolution? The evolution of the atmosphere. Welcome to EcoError, the channel where wild science, quirky animals, and epic Earth stories collide. Today we're blasting off into a journey that answers two burning questions. What is the evidence for evolution? And how has the evolution of the atmosphere shaped every inch of life on our planet? Buckle up for a roller coaster ride filled with jaw-dropping twists, hilarious surprises, and moments that will have you rethinking everything, even your morning coffee. Picture this. 2.4 billion years ago, a dark, oxygen-less Earth where life was nothing more than a whisper. Suddenly, cyanobacteria hit the scene like rock stars, churning out oxygen with every photosynthetic beat. This wasn't just a spark, it was the explosive ignition of the Great Oxidation Event. This ancient microbial influence not only revolutionized our atmosphere, but set the stage for complex aerobic life. So when you ask, what is the evidence for evolution? The answer is all around you in every breath you take. Before we dive deeper, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. Join our community of curious minds and share this video with someone who loves a mind-blowing science story. Now, let's shrink down to the microscopic. Ever wonder why every living creature, from the tiniest microbe to the majestic blue whale, speaks the same genetic language? It's our DNA. The near-universal genetic code shouts out a message of common ancestry that boldly answers, what is the evidence for evolution? Think of it as the ultimate family tree that connects us all, no matter how wild our differences may seem. Imagine your pet goldfish secretly texting your dog, "Hey, did you know we're distant cousins?" Evolution's family reunions are truly out of this world. Now for a twist that'll make you chuckle. Some snakes, yes, those slithering ninjas, still sport tiny pelvic bones. These vestigial relics are nature's cheeky way of saying, remember when we had legs? A perfect funny reminder of what is the evidence for evolution. Ever seen a snake with a lost leg moment? Drop your wildest evolutionary wonder in the comments. Our planet's history isn't written on paper, it's etched in stone. Sedimentary rocks are Earth's diary, chronicling shifts in atmospheric composition over billions of years. When you wonder, what is the evidence for evolution? These ancient pages speak volumes about our planet's ever-changing story. Zooming into the icy Arctic, meet the unlikely duo, the Arctic fox and the ptarmigan. Both don stunning white coats to blend into a snowy wonderland. A perfect case of convergent evolution, nature's own version of who wore it better. With survival as the ultimate prize answers, what is the evidence for evolution in the most stylish way? Ever witnessed evolution happening in fast forward? Some bacteria develop antibiotic resistance in mere decades. It's like watching a high-speed montage of nature's makeover show, proving that evolution isn't a slow burn. It's a full-throttle transformation. If you're loving these rapid-fire facts on evolution and the evolution of the atmosphere, hit that like button now and share this video with your science squad. Viruses might seem like the villains of modern medicine, but they're actually secret agents in the evolution game. By promoting horizontal gene transfer among bacteria, they spice up the genetic mix and fuel diversity. This unexpected twist is another brilliant answer to what is the evidence for evolution. Now let's crank up the scale. The dance of supercontinents like Rodinia has not only reshaped Earth's surface, but also its atmosphere. These titanic tectonic shifts have orchestrated dramatic changes in climate and life, proving that the evolution of the atmosphere is as dynamic as a blockbuster action scene. Imagine Earth as a giant jigsaw puzzle. Each shifting continent reveals a new twist in our evolutionary saga. How cool is that? Comment below with your favorite mind-blowing Earth fact. Deep inside our DNA lurk pseudogenes, Mysterious genetic fossils that once played vital roles. They're silent messengers from our evolutionary past, hinting at ancient functions long lost. Their existence powerfully underscores what is the evidence for evolution. Ready to fly high? An 80-million-year-old bird species, Naviornis hestii, reveals a brain with both ancient and modern traits, a true bridge in avian evolution. This feathered fossil proves evolution is not just a tale of scales and snouts, it's a soaring narrative of progress. Shift your gaze upward. Earth's nitrogen-oxygen atmosphere is one of a kind in our solar system. Its perfect balance is essential for life and a critical chapter in the evolution of the atmosphere. Ever notice that vertebrate embryos look eerily similar in their earliest stages? This shared beginning is a living testament to common ancestry, a direct and moving answer to what is the evidence for evolution. Beneath the surface of our genomes lies an enormous amount of non-coding DNA, aptly called genomic dark matter. Far from being useless, this mysterious material plays key roles in regulating life and evolving new functions. Another dazzling clue in our evolutionary quest. Consider this. The immense atmospheric pressure on Earth has forced life to evolve ingenious internal supports to avoid being squashed. This fierce, unseen force is a vivid example of how the evolution of the atmosphere directly sculpts every living organism. Let's rewind billions of years. The fossil record is our ultimate time machine, capturing life's evolving tapestry across 3.5 billion years. Every fossil is a resounding yes to what is the evidence for evolution. Deep within ancient glaciers lie ice cores, tiny, frozen time capsules packed with bubbles of prehistoric air. These silent sentinels document dramatic shifts in our atmosphere over millennia, giving us unparalleled insight into the evolution of the atmosphere. Imagine an explosion, not of fireworks, but of life. Around 541 million years ago, the Cambrian explosion unleashed an incredible burst of diversity. With rising oxygen levels fueling this renaissance, it remains one of the most dazzling answers to what is the evidence for evolution. Hidden within our DNA are the scars of ancient viral battles, endogenous retroviruses that have reshaped gene regulation. These genetic relics are secret storytellers bridging the gap between ancient viruses and modern life. Another quirky testament to evolution in action. Earth's atmosphere is a roller coaster of extremes. Volcanic outbursts and surges of greenhouse gases have repeatedly flipped the script, triggering mass extinctions that paved the way for fresh, dynamic life forms. This dramatic reset is a compelling chapter in the evolution of the atmosphere. And here's the grand finale: transitional fossils like Tiktaalik rosei. These iconic relics, bridging the gap between fish and tetrapods, are nature's ultimate mic drop, offering undeniable evidence for what is the evidence for evolution. Are you pumped? If your brain just did a double take, smash that like button and drop a comment with your favorite fact so far. Share this video with friends who can't get enough of epic evolution tales and the evolution of the atmosphere. Take a deep breath and let these extraordinary stories settle in. From microbial pioneers to tectonic dramas and genetic time capsules, every piece of this puzzle connects in a dazzling tapestry of evolution. This isn't just science, it's an adventure into our very existence, a reminder that every atom of life is intertwined with our planet's ever-changing atmosphere. As we approach our epic finale, remember every breath, every beat of your heart is a living testament to billions of years of evolution. The evidence for evolution isn't locked away in textbooks, it's exploding in the skies, etched in stone and encoded in your DNA. The evolution of the atmosphere has sculpted every creature on Earth, from the tiniest algae to the mightiest eagle soaring above. Picture a world where every twist, from volcanic fury to the magic of a random mutation, drives evolution forward. Nature pens its own blockbuster saga with shifting continents, evolving atmospheres, and life adapting in breathtaking ways. This is our story, a tale of resilience, reinvention, and relentless progress that challenges us to ask not just what is the evidence for evolution, but also how deeply are we connected to the ever-evolving atmosphere above us. Sure, it might seem as twisty as a snake with lost leg moments, but every quirky fossil, every gene relic, and every burst of oxygen adds up to one glorious, unruly narrative. If you're fired up by this wild ride through evolution and the evolution of the atmosphere, then hit that subscribe button, share this video, and let's keep the conversation roaring in the comments. As we close this chapter, reflect on the profound interconnectedness of life on Earth. From ancient microbes igniting an oxygen revolution to the shifting tectonic plates that rewrite our destiny, every moment is a page in the grand saga of evolution. So next time someone asks, what is the evidence for evolution? Thank you for joining this electrifying journey on EcoError. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and always stay curious, because the story of life is just getting started. Subscribe to EcoError for more deep dives into the wild mysteries of nature and the explosive science behind our world.